ko alam kung paano nagsimula yan na nag-resign ako. In-announce siguro yan. Pero wala akong resignation na pinail. Kasi sinabi na lumabas, nabasa ko na lang, I resign out of delicadeza. Masarap pakinggan, yung out of delicadeza. Pero hindi naman totoo yan. Hindi ako nag-resign. The only letter that I sent regarding my position na wala na was that letter I signed yesterday late afternoon. Sinabi ko, I bow to the prerogative of the President. Yung submit to the prerogative of the President to replace me. Kasi that is the nature of my tenure at the pleasure of the President. So wala, I will not also validate na may resignation ako kung wala. Well, somebody, a close friend of mine, at least that's as far as I know, called me up in the morning, mga siguro before 12 o'clock, to tell me na I am to go, to leave as Executive Secretary, exit na ako. So sabi ko, walang problema yan. I will accept that because I'm only serving at the pleasure of the President. Hindi ko na tinanong. Dahil alam ko naman yan pag prerogative, you do not need, the President does not need a reason. So after na, nung